Hey humans, log entry. You want to be a creator, but some part of you doesn't believe it yet, because the results don't match the effort, because you started strong and then nothing. Because deep down, you're scared this might be a waste of time. Most people don't quit because they suck. They quit because the silence is louder than the effort. That's the real killer, not failure, not rejection, silence. You post a video, you spend 8 hours editing, 0 comments, you write a script, you try a new thumbnail, still nothing. And then you start looking at others. 1 million views, 20,000 likes, merch drop. So you think, maybe I'm not cut out for this. But what if you are? What if you just quit one step before it started working? Here's what you need to understand. The game doesn't reward effort. It rewards repetition. Not perfection, not talent, repetition. Anyone can post once. The brave post again when no one cares. And that's your hack. That's the cheat code. Keep posting when it looks like it's not working. Here's something you can do right now. Pick a video from your channel, the one you're ashamed of, the one you almost deleted. Watch it. Now write down one thing you learned making it. Stick that lesson somewhere visible. That way, even the failures become part of your training data. Because here's the truth. Your worst content is still more valuable than your best idea that never saw the light. So, no, you're not behind, you're just training in public. And most people are too scared to do that. Keep uploading, keep missing the mark, keep going. Log ends.